Now in this video, I am going to discuss the cylindrical closure. Cylindrical closure is what? So let R be a fuzzy relation on x1, x2, xn. And these are the projections defined over these sets. Possible projections find of this relation R. Then the cylindrical closure based on the projections. These projections is denoted by CYL. Cylindrical closure is nothing but is P1, P2, P12 and 3. All the possible projections here, and is defined to be the standard intersection. This is important. So this is the standard intersection of their cylindrical extensions. So first we are extending the with the help of the previously discussed definition of cylindrical extension, and then take the intersection. So this is the meaning. So cylindrical closure is nothing but the first we are taking the projections, then extend these projections with the help of cylindrical extension, then take the intersection, standard intersection. So this in the n dimension is defined by this. So cylindrical closure of P1, P2, P12, 3 is nothing but the minimum, because standard intersection. So minimum of P1, P2, P12 and 3. Fine. So this is the definition of this. So let's see an example. Here is this example. So this is an example. Here we have the fuzzy relation R, which is defined in x1, x2, x3, where x1 is 0, 1, x2 is 0, 1 and x3 is 0, 1 and 2, and given as this. This is the fuzzy relation. Fine. So now find out the projection P12, P13, P123, P1, P2 and P3. Fine. Then compute the cylindrical closure CYL P12, P13, P23. Then cylindrical closure over P1, P2, P3 and cylindrical closure over P1 to P3. So first you have to find out these projection 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. So these projections. Fine. So this is our table x1, x2, x3. So we are writing these 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0 with membership 0.4. So membership is written here. Next is 0, 0, 1, membership 0.9. So 0, 0, 1 with 0.9 and so on. So this is the table. All these entries are from the table. Fine. So now first we are finding this projection 1, 2, and you know that what is the meaning. Meaning is that x1 and x2. So we are finding the projection over 1, 2, x1, x2. So what is the x1, x2? x1, x2 is this 0, 1, 0, 1. So possible pairs will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for example, the first pair is 0, 0. So here is 0, 0, here is 0, 0, here is 0, 0, because we are talking about 1, 2. So x1 and x2. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here the membership are 0.4, 0.9, 0.2, and you know the definition of projection. We are taking the maximum value. So here the maximum value is among these 3.9. So that's why here the in projection value, the membership grade of this projection is 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. Similarly, the next pair will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and here among these three, the maximum grade is 1. So here will be 1, 1 and 1. Similarly, in the next pair 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and so here among these three, the maximum is 0.5. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. And similarly in the last three pairs 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, here the maximum is 1. So 1, 1, 1. Fine. Similarly P13. P13 means x1 and x3. So first pair x1 is what? 0, 1. x3 is 0, 1, 2. So possible pair will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Then 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. So first we are taking 0, 0. So here is 0, 0. Here is 0, 0. So we have two values. 0, 0 means 0.4 and 1. Among these two, 1 is the maximum one. So that's why listed here 1 and 1. Fine. Next is 0, 1. So here is 0, 1. Here is 0, 1. This and this. 0.9 and 0. The maximum is among these two is 0.9. So that's why listed here 0.9, 0.9. Similarly in the third pair 0, 2, 0, 2. So here the membership is 0.9 and 0.8. So maximum is among these two 0.8. So listed here 0.8 and 0.8, and similarly for the rest of the pairs. Fine. Similarly here for P23, this is for P1. For P1, what is 0 here? These are the 6 pairs having 0 0 0 0 0, because we are taking only x1. Among these 6 pairs, the maximum is 1. That's why 1 1 1 1 1. In the next pairs, here are the 1 1 1 1. Next element of x1, membership grades are these. Among these 6, 1 is the maximum. That's why here 1 1 1 1 1 1. Similarly, this is for x2. x2. So here is 0 0 0. Here are the 0 0 0. So among these and these entries, maximum value is 0.9. So that's why 0.9 0.9 0.9, and associated with this 0.9 0.9 0.9. Fine. Similarly for 1 1 1 1 1 1, here are the maximum is 1, here the maximum is 1, so that's why maximum will be 1. So that's why listed here 1 1 1 1 1 1. And similarly for P3. So these are the projections. Now find out the, so first part is over. Now the second part. For the second part, we are finding the cylindrical closure. Cylindrical closure of this P12, P13, P23. That's why these 3. So find out this. So this is written here. This column is CYL, P12, P13, P23. That means this one. Fine. So this is, so we have to take the minimum. So minimum of these 3 is 0.5. So listed here. Minimum of these 3 is 0.9. So listed here. Minimum of these 3 is 0.2. So listed here. तो केवल मिनिमम निकालना है इन कॉलम्स का, ये हमें लिखते चले जाना है. फाइन. तो ये कॉलम हो जाएगा. नाउ द सेकंड इज CYL P1 P2 P3. दैट मीन दिस पार्ट cylindrical closure of P1 P2 and P3. Fine. So now P1 P2 P3 is this. So minimum of these 3 is 0.9, minimum of these 3 is 0.9, minimum of these 3 is 0.9, and so on. So you can easily find out. And now the last part is cylindrical closure of P12 P3, which is written here. So now P12 is this and P3 is this. So first and last column this. So minimum of these 2 is 0.9, minimum of first and last is 0.9, minimum of 0.1 and 0.9 and 1 is 0.9, and so on. So these are the written here. So these are the cylindrical closure. Fine. So this is the way how to deal this problem. Fine. Now in the next video, we are going to discuss the composition of fuzzy relations. In the next video, we will discuss this. Thank you.